So we're here today to be able to provide booster vaccinations to students on the University of Maryland, Baltimore campus.
I'm coming to get my booster shot finally. It's actually been a year since I got my first and second COVID vaccination, so I was finally able to take advantage of the student-run vaccination clinic today.
It's super easy and it's great because it gives all the other schools some practice to give shots and administrative stuff, and it's nice.
Our students were really excited to be able to do this opportunity, especially since the semester's just started. They're excited to come back to campus and interact with each other again. Receiving these boosters just allows them to do that a little bit more safely.
Overall, just to help each other, help the community. I mean, we're back in school, like in person and everything, and I care for my classmates, I care for my professors, and I just want to ensure that I'm doing my part in keeping everybody and myself safe.
Safeway Pharmacies has been a very important partnership with the University of Maryland School of Pharmacy to do a lot of the coordination and outreach for these COVID vaccines at various clinics that we've had, and so certainly we've been able to partner with them to be able to have our students serve as vaccinators and also staff for the clinics.
People are excited to get it because they see the results. And we all want to move forward. We don't want to be indoors anymore.
I would like to resume my daily normal living. I'm just trying to do my part to stop the COVID pandemic.
I'm doing what I need to do as a citizen. We're trying to make this thing better, make COVID go away.